Note for you before starting today's video, and that is please increase your smartphone's brightness because I am shooting this video in not proper ideal lighting conditions, so you might have a little problem. So I suggest like you increase your brightness level a bit. What is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So in today's video I'm going to be discussing everything we know regarding the Realme 5. Well, a 10,000 rupees smartphone which is basically coming with quad camera setup at the back with ridiculous big display and just basically everything next to perfect. Well, this smartphone is really quad camera smartphone you're getting for 10,000 rupees is definitely appreciated, and not just that, but all of the specifications and everything is making me crazy, and I really thought of making today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be discussing all of the specification, leaks, features, when it's going to be coming, arriving, and just everything you need to know about the Realme 5. So without any further ado, let's get started. The features, or you can see the specifications, are just beyond incredible. I would say like you're getting a 6.5 inch display. 6.5 inch is next to like a Redmi Note 7 or kind of phone. So you're getting a really like a massive display, and that also it has a teardrop notch. So basically just there's going to be a little bit curve at the top, but just no big deal. And I would even recommend you to go for a tear drop notch instead of going to just any punch hole display, because punch hole display is in the middle of the display, and the teardrop kind of blends it pretty smoothly with the bezels on the top. And not just that, you're getting Snapdragon's 665 AIE processor. Well, this again is it's a little bit budget friendly device, so you're not going to be getting any Snapdragon 850 or kind of a big advanced processor, but again like 665 is not at all a bad processor. Next, the front camera. Well, the back camera department is I think the 90% of the marketing scheme, and not just that, but it is the best feature to go for. And just like that only, the front camera you're getting a 13 megapixel front camera. So again like a pretty nice like standard camera range you're getting with any 10 to 15,000 rupees smartphone. You either get a 8 megapixel one or a 13 megapixel front one. Now let me talk about its rear camera. Well, the main camera is going to be of 12 megapixels. Then there is going to be an ultra wide camera. The ultra wide cameras are going to be of 8 megapixels. Then there is going to be a telephoto lens of 2 megapixels and another one, the depth sensor of 2 megapixels. So again, these are the quad camera, the 4 camera, and this is like any other Samsung smartphone. It's all like vertical, and that really makes you feel like you're rocking a lot of professional things in your smartphone. Again, like you're getting your fingerprint reader at the back of the smartphone. You're also getting facial recognition system, and the one factor which I really like about this smartphone is that you're not getting any moving parts. You can say like the pop-up camera or any other mechanism, you're not getting strange kind of things, but you're getting like a really solid kind of smartphone. And not just that, but every specifications which you're getting with this smartphone is affordable, and just for 10,000 rupees I think this is the best smartphone to go for. Battery and everything is not only the thing you need to get excited for. 5000 mAh battery. Yes guys, this 6.5 inch smartphone is rocking 5000 mAh battery, and that's incredible. 5000 mAh is next to perfect. I would say that's the best battery life you can get on any smartphone, and again you're getting it for a package which is just worth 10,000 rupees. Again, 10,000 is a lot of amount, but again for a smartphone, and that also a smartphone which performs even better than few 50 to 60,000 rupees smartphones, that's definitely appreciated. And not just that, it's also coming with Android 9 Pie, so you're getting the best, the advanced updated Android version as well with this deal. And it's again 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage is the base model, and after that you definitely you can increase the storage capacity, and micro SD card is also supported. And not just that, but I also want to convey one more thing, and that is its release date. It was released on 20 August, like 6 days ago it was released, and from today, exactly from today, sales are going to be starting. And not just only the sales, on Flipkart or Amazon. Amazon has started its pre-orders, few sellers have started taking pre-orders, but on Flipkart you can buy it tomorrow, and it is going to be coming tomorrow. You can get like off, or if you have any nice coins or anything, you can definitely have that for even a little bit cheaper, like 1000 rupees off on that. So you are basically getting a lot of deals on that, and I would suggest like for this great package of specification, hardware, and just overall form factor, it is definitely a one-to-one, and just this is going to be one of the bestest Android deals to go for in this week. So hope you have liked today's video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel, give a like to this video, and also leave a comment that how was this video and which video you want to see next. Again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.